Welcome to BoldlyHer25 Business, where we talk all things business. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's essential for every entrepreneur: digital marketing for beginners. If you've ever wondered how to get your brand noticed online, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is digital marketing? Think of it as promoting your business in the online world. We're talking about using powerful tools like social media, email, and your own website to connect with people. The goal is simple: reach a wider audience, build a strong brand presence, and ultimately boost your sales. It's how you take your local business and give it a global storefront, open 24/7. It's about meeting your customers where they are, which, let's be honest, is usually on their phones or laptops. By creating a digital strategy, you're not just selling a product, you're building a community around your brand. Let's kick things off with a big one: social media marketing. This is all about using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and even LinkedIn to connect with your target audience. It's more than just posting a picture now and then. To do it right, you need to post regularly, actively engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility, and create content that people want to share. Think about what makes you stop scrolling. Is it a funny video, a beautiful image, or a super helpful tip? That's the kind of content you want to create. Remember, consistency is key here. You don't need to post 5 times a day. Even a few high-quality posts a week can steadily grow your audience and build a loyal following. It shows people you're active, reliable, and committed to your community. Next up is content marketing. This strategy is all about creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers. We're talking about writing blog posts, filming videos, designing cool infographics, or sharing quick tips. The key here is high value. Your content should solve a problem, answer a question, or entertain your audience. When you consistently provide helpful information, you build trust and position yourself as an expert in your field. People will start to see you as the go-to source, making them much more likely to buy from you when they're ready. A great way to start is to think about what your audience wants to learn or see. What are their biggest pain points? Create content that directly addresses those needs, and you'll build a dedicated audience that truly values what you have to offer. Now let's talk about email marketing. Don't believe the hype. Email is far from dead. It's one of the most direct and effective ways to connect with your audience. Email marketing involves sending newsletters, company updates, or special promotions directly to your subscribers' inboxes. The people on your email list have explicitly said they want to hear from you, which makes them a highly engaged audience. To make your emails effective, try to personalize them by using the subscriber's name and sending content relevant to their interests. And always include a clear call to action. Tell them exactly what you want them to do next, whether it's shop now, read more, or watch the video. If you're just starting, don't feel overwhelmed. You can begin with a simple weekly email, sharing a quick tip or an update. Even small, consistent steps can build a powerful connection with your subscribers. Let's demystify a term you've probably heard a lot: SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, SEO is the process of making your website more attractive to search engines like Google. The goal is to have your website show up on the first page when people search for keywords related to your products or services. So, how do you do it? Start by using keywords your ideal customer would actually search for. Optimize your images by giving them descriptive names. And most importantly, write clear, helpful, and well-structured content on your website. Think like your customer. What would they type into Google to find a business like yours? Use those exact phrases in your website's text, titles, and descriptions. Good SEO is a long-term game, but it's incredibly powerful for driving organic, free traffic to your site. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry, that's totally normal. Here are my top tips for beginners. First, start with just one platform. Don't try to be on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube all at once. Pick the one where your target audience hangs out the most and focus all your energy there. Once you've mastered it, you can expand. Second, post consistently. Create a simple schedule and stick to it. This builds momentum and keeps your audience engaged. Third, track your results. Pay attention to what's working and what's not. Which posts get the most likes? What time of day is best to post? Use this data to learn, test different strategies, and continuously improve over time. Remember, digital marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent actions will always lead to big results down the line. To make your life easier, there are so many amazing tools out there to help you, and many of them are free or have free versions. For creating stunning graphics and social media posts, Canva is your best friend. It's super user-friendly, even if you're not a designer. For editing videos for TikTok or Reels, CapCut is a fantastic and easy-to-use mobile app. When you're ready to start email marketing, MailChimp is a great platform to begin with. And to track your website traffic and understand how people are finding you, Google Analytics is the industry standard, and it's completely free. The important thing to remember is you don't need everything at once. Start small with 1 or 2 tools that solve your immediate needs, and you can grow your toolkit as your business and skills grow. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to digital marketing. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident about getting your business out there. If you want more business tips and tricks just like this, make sure to follow BoldlyHer25. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have, so please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.